Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Samsung TV to Xfinity Wi-Fi Hotspot in 2026. So first of all, you need to turn on your Samsung Smart TV. Afterwards, you need to press the home button on your remote. So once you have done that, you are going to see the settings on your TV. So in the settings, you just have to go to general. Inside general, you need to look for the option of network. So when you are inside network, you just have to basically look for the option of open network settings, and then you need to select the option of wireless. Now, when you are able to find the option of wireless, your TV is going to scan for the available networks. So once it is scanning, you need to look for the networks like Xfinity Wi-Fi or Xfinity, and you need to basically select one of them. At this point, your TV may connect, but you won't have internet yet. So that's because Xfinity hotspots require a sign-in page. So on your TV, you need to open the web browser and you can try visiting any of the websites. They should automatically redirect you to the Xfinity login page. If it doesn't open, you can manually go to a simple website like youtube.com in order to trigger it. After that, you need to enter the Xfinity username and the password and choose a Wi-Fi pass option if it is available. Once you sign in, your TV will be fully connected to the internet. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.